Don't go in yet. Don't go in. Okay, everyone is about here. Moving in 3, 2, 1. Move in. Get ready for an ulti bomb directly on hammer. Stay tight. Moving northeast towards door. All right, I need a proxy pot and barrier in 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Moving in now. Move in now.
My negate
And
front flag.
ulti bomb moving in. Good job. Keep moving in. Moving straight to back flag. Hammer is on back flag. Everyone target hammer. Target hammer now. Moving up and around. Moving up and around. Chasing hammer. Chase hammer. Chase hammer. Moving down. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Hammer is running from us, so. Alright, I need negates on hammer. I need negates on hammer now. Okay, hammer's down. Someone grab it. Someone grab hammer. By someone, preferably stand tuned. Okay, who has it? Okay, proxy in 3, 2, 1. Proxy. Moving towards back flag in 3, 2, 1. Move to back flag now. Moving to back flag. Fighting on non-merchant side. Non-merchant side. You guys keep going. We're probably going to camp outside. Okay, they are pouring back in. They probably camp up. Simon, you need to be in control.
Negating.
Yeah, we need to camp up.
Up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs. Group up the stairs. Lots of hots. Okay, we're abandoning kill these fools. Pushing down.
We're rezzing on
down
back
the
flag.
stairs, pushing down the stairs. Down the stairs. Get these fools. Hammer all up. Yep. Kill them. Let's get reses up real quick. Reses up.
And back up. Back
Awesome.
up. Moving towards front flag now. Don't let them res. Ben, you're doing a great job. All right. Moving. Pushing out. Proxy in 3, 2, 1. Proxy. We're banding back inside in 3, 2, 1. Back inside. We need to flip flags. Target Raging Storm. Okay, we are fighting on front flag for a second. Fight on front flag. Proxy in 3, 2, 1. Proxy. Ulti bombing back flag in 3, 2, 1. Ulti bomb back flag now. They kind of they spread out. They spread out. Okay, need to focus on back flag. Focus back flag. Proxy in 3, 2, 1. Proxy. Moving towards front flag in 3, 2, 1. Move towards front flag now. Everyone fighting on front flag. Proxy in 3, 2, 1. Proxy moving to back flag in 3, 2, 1. Move to back flag now. Okay, chasing up and around, going to non-merchant side, moving up the stairs. Going over the grate, moving over the grate. Grabbing you, freaky. Okay, moving back down the stairs, moving back down the stairs. Proxy in 3, 2, 1. Proxy. Moving towards back flag. Okay, good job. Moving towards outer breach. 3, 2, 1. Start moving. Oh, Garrett's down. Okay. Keep it on the move. Let's go ahead and start repping breach.
Careful for bombers.
Yeah, let's keep hammer off the wall.
There, bomber.
Yep. Sleeping is a pretty good bomber, but they tried.
You know, I say it a lot, but you forget.
Ball's taking damage.
Okay. Yeah, it's not many of them. Okay, everyone going up northeast on the wall. Stack Crown, I'm on the northeast side. There's not that many. It looks like we're chasing him out. Okay, everyone drop down, search and destroy. Okay, and let's go ahead and pull back and start finishing that rep.
Row fronts are under attack.
Yeah.
Drink.